Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get a brick-built rod. First, you need to clearly define the purpose and desired appearance of your rod. Consider if it needs to be rigid or flexible, and what specific functions it will serve in your Lego creation. Next, ensure you have a sufficient quantity of the correct bricks, such as Technic axles, round bricks, or modified plates, to achieve your desired structure. Planning ahead saves time and ensures a sturdy final product. When constructing your brick-built rod, focus on robust connections. Technic pins and axles are excellent for creating strong, stable joints that can withstand stress. For a visually appealing rod, utilize snot techniques to hide studs and achieve a smooth, finished look. This is especially useful for external surfaces. Remember, for rods exceeding 10 studs in length, internal bracing with additional plates or bricks will significantly enhance its structural integrity and prevent bending. Once the basic structure is complete, it's time for customization. Enhance your rod's appearance by adding decorative tiles, grills, or other small elements to match your overall Lego model. If your rod has a specific function, integrate gears, hinges, or other moving parts carefully. Always test the rod's strength and flexibility under intended use. Don't hesitate to make adjustments to the design or add more reinforcement if it doesn't meet your expectations. For more advanced designs, explore using flexible elements like rubber hoses or flexible axles to create curved or dynamic rod shapes. Don't be afraid to experiment with various color combinations to make your brick-built rod truly stand out and complement your larger build. A well-designed rod can elevate your entire Lego creation. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They really help keep things organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.